you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So I am beyond excited for today's video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the mid-year advent calendar by CoraCreaCrafts. Would you like to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I am super excited that the mid-year CoraCreaCrafts advent calendar is here. They did this basically kind of like a Christmas in July. The last 2 years I've grabbed their full advent calendar at the end of the year, and I'm loving both of them, and I cannot wait for the one to come out at the end of this year. However, she said on one of her lives that there was going to be a mid calendar because they are so popular at the end of the year that they're rolling out one in the middle of the year. Again, it was for like a Christmas in July. Now it is here, and I'm even more excited that I'm looking at this box. Like, I'm super excited. This is a half calendar. It was $199. They do still have this available. It says, "You've asked for more than one advent calendar a year, and here it is. After 2 years of dreaming, designing, and crafting, we're beyond excited to finally open pre-orders." Again, I pre-ordered early for the mid-year summer dream calendar. And again, I'm so excited. Once this box came, my mailing label was on the bottom, and I was able to take it off and not have any residue or anything on here. I'm definitely keeping this box. I mean, just look at the box, the outer box that it was shipped in. This is just stunning. So you have, like, in gold font right here, a QR code, and then CoraCreaCrafts. And then on the top, it says open, that little shiny right there. It says open here, a special surprise awaits. And then you have CoraCreaCrafts on each side. And yeah, there's no font on the bottom. But this box is just, I love this box. I just love all the colors. I just love everything about it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in. All of them in here are supposed to be like all little boxes, and everything's inside. So I'm excited to kind of like repurpose the packaging. Let me see. I don't want to mess it up. Here we go. And they are actually numbered 1 through 12. And wait, hold on. It's like they're in a, oh my gosh. It's like it's in its own box that matches. Okay, so here's the box. And it comes in, oh my goodness, look at all of those gold like flowers that are on top even. This is even more stunning than the outside packaging. Like, you guys, just look at the packaging. I haven't even looked inside yet. That is just gorgeous. That is just gorgeous. And then you have everything down in here, numbered 1 through 12. So you have all of these different colors, and it looks like this row and this row, there's 2, and then every other one, it's 1 each. So let's go ahead and start with number 1. Oh my gosh, I can't get over this packaging, you guys. I'm gonna be saying that several times throughout this whole video, watch. Okay, so here is the first one. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is, and I'm excited about it. I'm even more excited about it now that I see the print. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is like a navy blue. It has some flowers that, you know, kind of match the design, but it has stars and like the galaxy, like the solar system. You have, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then inside you have all these blank pages to make your own journal book. I love that. Okay, so that's door number 1. That is door number 1. I can't. That is just gorgeous. Okay, so number 2. And then it has the flowers. Ooh, so you have a pin to match. That is nice. And it feels really nice quality, but it's a matching pin. That is so cool. Oh, it's a calligraphy pen. That's even cooler. Like, I don't know how to really write all fancy, but I've always tried. But there's a calligraphy pen. Okay, 1 and 2 already is amazing. So we're gonna go with 3, the first smaller one. Okay, so in here we have 3 different washi tapes. Oh, I didn't even show you the design of this one. Look at how gorgeous. Oh my goodness, okay. And then here are the 3 different washi tapes. I love washi tapes, and those are just some really pretty colors. And I'm loving that like everything matches. Like, you know what I mean? Like everything so far is going with the same theme. I love how she does that with the advent calendars. So here is number 4, and this one looks like a lily pad and a dragonfly. She really outdid herself with this packaging. Oh my goodness. These are clips. So this one you have an owl. Okay, so there's the owl. So you can like hold your pages down when you're working on them. And then this one looks like it's a wolf, and it has like a moon shape on its forehead. If you can see that. And same thing. But that is so pretty. Like, again, they match like with like the stars and stuff. That is just so pretty. Okay, so those are the 2 half ones. Let's go ahead and go with number 5. And then this is what 5 looks like. Oh, so it looks like you have 2 different bookmarkers down inside of here. One of them is a unicorn, and I think 2 years ago the advent calendar had a lot of like unicorns in it. I think last year was more owls. So this will definitely match with like a lot of stuff that I've already received. Let me take this thing off. So it's a unicorn, and then it has like this mint green tassel. That is really, really pretty though. So there's one. The second one in here, I wish this one, oh, and I guess I could take it off and swap it. You know what I mean? So I was like, I wish this one had the teal, because this is like a moth or like a butterfly. Look at that. But yeah, I'm gonna just take this off and swap them. I'll put the pink one on the unicorn and then put the mint green one on this one. But yeah, that is what this one looks like. Oh my gosh, I love that. And I'm gonna swap those colors. Oh my goodness. And I love like their packaging just fits perfect. Like, they definitely outdid themselves with this calendar. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Ooh, we have something else in here that matches. I love matching. I don't know what you are, but I already love you. What is it? Is it stickers? No, it's just pages inside. So the cover matches with the oh my gosh. And then down inside, you're going to have all different types. So there's a few, I'm sure I've missed some in there, but there's a few of all of those like card pages with all those pretty prints on there. So there's that, and I love that the outside matches with this, you know, the cover matches everything. Okay, so number 7. Oh, did I even show you that one? No, I didn't. That one has a unicorn on it. That one has a unicorn on it. So this one, again, a number 7. It's like a little fairy tooting on a horn. Okay, these are really cool. They are pre-made wax seals. I love the colors. And one of them has a butterfly on it. I don't know if you saw that one. That one right there has a butterfly on it. So on the back, they have this little tab. You take the top piece of paper off, and then it'll be a sticky, and you can put it on your envelope, or whatever that you're going to use it for, but they already have them on the back for you. So they are pre-waxed and has the self-adhesive sticker on there as well. So that is so cool. Set of 13. So number 8, and it has the owl. This says sticker strips 20-piece set, Midsummer Dreams. So there's this, and it has a lot of stuff inside because like there's a fairy in the back, and there it says 20-piece set. So all of these here, you have all these different stickers. That is so cool that you have like a whole set though of all of those different strips. So there's tons of them in there that you can use. Let's go with number 9. Then we have 3 left. I always get so sad when it comes to an end, but I'm so glad that I got this. I wonder what these are. Hold on. Okay, so maybe you stick this, like you clip it on a page because that looks like a little clip, but then look at how beautiful. You have the moon and like the stars that are hanging down. So it's like black and gold with a little white. This one has just like a pin backing of that one. And this one as well is a pin. And then this one here must be the same as that other one. And it's a star with the same. That is so cool. And again, I love that they're the same theme. This is just amazing. Number 10, and this one has mushrooms. Oh, we have something else then. Oh, look it. There's the butterfly on the front with the different gold like fonts on the top. What is in here? Nothing. Okay, so it's a blank box maybe to store your little things in. Maybe like these go in there or stickers or something. But that is a really adorable box that you can put anything in. And it says keepsakes right there. It says keepsakes, but then the box is just gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love that. Love, 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 love. Number 11. Ooh, we have a mermaid on this one. I'm telling you, she outdid herself with this calendar. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it says midsummer, I'm not sure that other word, but it's like a notepad of paper. I love that because you never know when you need to jot something down. You can always use the paper for scrapbooking or anything like that. We got one left, you guys. I really wish though, the only thing I wish is that there was a lid for this, like a lid to cover everything and just keep it all. That's the only thing it's missing. Like it looks like it's missing the lid. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna store it, I guess, in this box. I gotta keep that. I'm keeping the box. I'm keeping both boxes. So number 12, let's see what's in the last and final door. We have that beautiful image right there. And let's see what's in the last day. So we have a little sticker book and the cover matches with this theme. Look at it. And okay, so you have a whole bunch of stickers in here. I see butterflies, I see moon phases. Oh my gosh, like I'm telling you, this is my favorite. Like this is my all-time favorite. I'm so glad they came out with a mid-year. I'm so glad that they came up with this design and this just amazing packaging. It's just, oh my gosh. So that is everything. That's all 12 days for this midsummer advent calendar. Okay, you guys. So again, now that is everything for this calendar. What was your favorite door? What would be your favorite door in here? What do you think of this print? Like the design of everything this year, the whole theme? What do you think? Oh my gosh, definitely let me know down below. I can't wait to hear from you. If you do want to check them out, I know codes do not go on this particular calendar, but if you wanted to check out anything individually, I do have my own code, which you can use to save some money. I believe it's SheCrafty. Yes, it's SheCrafty to save 15% off their individual items on their shop. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am just beyond impressed with this calendar, the packaging, the items inside. I'm just so impressed. Just so impressed. I love this company too. So definitely hang tight to the end of the year. I'm gonna get the other one for the end of the year. I'm so excited for that one too. So definitely let me know. Oh, and I almost forgot, when I did place my order for the calendar, there were like a few items that were added to it for free because of the price. And they shipped those to me like instantly. So these have been sitting on my desk for a while. Does it say when this label was created? 5/13/25 is when this label was created and then mailed to me. So you're talking back in May is when I pre-ordered this calendar. And so this stuff, literally, like I said, there's a few things in here. So it says Lifestyle of the West. And it's like all these like Western type buildings and stuff for all these stickers on the sticker sheet. And then this one here is a washi tape, and it looks like it has like peaches or apples, peaches or oranges on there. But yeah, those are two free items that came with it that they shipped right away. And then now I got this calendar. If you would like to check them out, again, they will be listed in the description box with my code SheCrafty, so you can definitely save some money. If you'd like to see some other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, so that is everything again for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.